Perfect for the part. Mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. Perfect for the part. This phrase is not only popular but also very telling about someone's capabilities or suitability for a role or situation. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you incorporate it into your English vocabulary effectively. The phrase, perfect for the part, is used to describe a situation where someone is ideally suited for a specific role or job. This could be an actor in a film, a candidate for a job, or even someone taking on a particular responsibility in a project. When we say someone is perfect for the part, we're acknowledging that their skills, personality, and characteristics align seamlessly with what is required. It's a form of high praise, suggesting not just suitability but an ideal match. To fully grasp the meaning, let's break down the components of the phrase. Perfect. This means flawless or without any shortcomings. In this context, it implies that there's no better match for the role. 4. This preposition is used here to show the relationship between the person and the part or role. The part refers to the specific role, job, or responsibility at hand. When combined, these elements create a powerful expression that conveys a strong sense of suitability and excellence. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's see how to use it in sentences. After watching her audition, the director knew she was perfect for the part of Juliet. They interviewed many candidates, but only one was perfect for the part of project manager. With his background in environmental science, he's perfect for the part in leading our sustainability efforts. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various contexts. To help you master this phrase, try coming up with your own sentences using perfect for the part. Think about situations in your life or hypothetical scenarios where this phrase could be aptly used. Share your sentences with friends or in the comment section below for feedback. Understanding and using phrases like perfect for the part can greatly enrich your English vocabulary and make your language use more nuanced and expressive. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and encouraged you to start using it confidently. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from applying it in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.